Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download software on Windows 10 using the Microsoft Store. This is the safest and easiest way to install apps in 2025. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Store, then click on Microsoft Store from the results to open it. Inside the store, use the search bar at the top to look for the app or software you want to download. As you type, suggestions will appear to help you find the right one faster. Before installing, click on the app to view its description, system requirements, and user reviews. This helps you make sure the software is compatible and reliable. When you're ready, click the Get or Install button. The download will start immediately, and you can track the progress with the bar on screen. Once installed, you can open the app directly from the store or find it later in your Start menu or as a shortcut on your desktop. And that's it. You've just learned how to download and install software on Windows 10 using the Microsoft Store. It's quick, safe, and simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.